Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your crypto assets with Gemini, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Gemini account on their platform. Visit the official Gemini website or download the mobile app. Click on the Get Started button to initiate the registration process. Fill in the required personal information such as name, email, and phone number. Set a strong, unique password for your account to enhance security. Agree to the terms of service and complete any verification steps required. Once your account is set up, enable two-factor authentication for added protection. Link your bank account or payment method to facilitate secure transactions. Explore the security features offered by Gemini, such as withdrawal whitelists. Create a withdrawal whitelist and add trusted addresses to prevent unauthorized transfers. Regularly monitor your account activity for any suspicious transactions. Consider using Gemini's insurance coverage for additional peace of mind. Utilize cold storage options for storing large amounts of crypto securely. Keep your software and devices updated to protect against vulnerabilities. Educate yourself about common scams and phishing attacks in the crypto space. Regularly back up your recovery phrases and passwords in a secure location. Review your security settings periodically to adapt to any changes. Stay informed about Gemini's updates and new security features. Always exercise caution when sharing information online related to your crypto assets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.